long to find where she belongs.
Hello, my name is Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we do everything homemaking, decorating, organizing, adventure, all of that fun stuff. And so today I decided to tackle my jewelry. I bought a jewelry box because I really need it. All my jewelry is out and collecting dust. And because of that, some of them are getting old. So I have a lot to get rid of. That's pretty simple. I have a lot to get rid of, and so I'm just going to tackle this big task that I have to do. You'll see it takes me a while. And of course, these types of things take trial and error. But yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned. And let's get started. Alright, so this here is my current jewelry situation. I have jewelry in here. I have some in here. Some earrings in here too. A few miscellaneous pieces in there. I have some necklaces on the statue. And I also have some necklaces up on the wall right over the, whatever you call this. So yeah, that is my jewelry situation. Oh, and I think I have some in here too. Yes, I do. So yeah, I guess we have a lot to work with. So in the mail, I ordered this jewelry box. I received it yesterday. Oh, it's upside down. So there's this little detail here. It came with this little dot, unfortunately, but whatever. So there's this little lock, and it's pretty cute. And you open it, and this is what you see. This is where you will, well, I will hang my necklaces. It has a little pocket so you can put the rest of the necklace in here so it won't be dangling or get caught in anything. Then this part is for earrings. This was all out, but I stuck them in here. This is also for earrings. And then there's all these sections. I guess this is for rings. And then you take this out and you have all this space with bracelets or watches. And I think that's very handy, and I think I was needing something a bit more proper for my jewelry and to make it more organized. I also plan on getting rid of a lot of things, so let's see how this will go. For now, I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to gather all of my jewelry here. And then at the end, we will put the jewelry that I decide to keep into this box.
Scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait.
I've scattered around all of my house, and I think I have everything here. But I'm not sure because I usually just throw my jewelry everywhere, all around my house. When I'm tired, I'll leave it anywhere and then I end up losing things, unfortunately. But yeah, this is all my jewelry. I think I might have a pair of earrings inside a purse or something. I'll eventually put that into the jewelry box if I find it. Now I'm gonna get to choosing what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. So I started off with my necklaces, and most of my necklaces are gifts from friends, and I don't really use them because they're not my style. I guess they're more of the style of a 12-year-old girl, but since they were from friends and they have a lot of meaning, I'm not willing to part with those necklaces. Instead of parting with them, you'll see more towards the end of the video. I actually put them in one of those jewelry keepers, the one with the roses on top. You can see it behind the earrings. And so very few of my necklaces I actually use. Some of my necklaces are very old and I really like their style, but they're just like they've lost their color so much that I'm embarrassed to use them. So I'm just gonna throw them out and I'll have to buy new ones. I've accumulated a lot of jewelry over the years, and most of them are earrings that I bought off of AliExpress. So they were really cheap, which also means that their material are really cheap. So obviously they're going to lose their color and get in bad shape in just a couple of years. I am going through a phase where I want nice things now, and obviously cheap in price is great, but sometimes when you buy cheap things, it'll turn out to be expensive because you can't really use them at all. Like you'll use them for a couple of weeks and then they'll not be good to use. So I'm finishing up my necklaces, and I got rid of probably like 5 necklaces. I can't remember exactly how many I did. And this is where I start with the earrings, and anything that has lost its color I threw away, or anything that I just won't use. I bought these huge dangle earrings that you saw me take off, the pink ones. I will never use them. I bought them and I never used them, and I will never use them. They're just not my style. Why am I holding on to this type of things? Also, I went and grabbed a lint roller because, like I said, they were out. All of my jewelry was out, and it was accumulating a lot of dust. And so, obviously, I have to clean them before putting them away. So I grabbed a lint roller and a damp, well, it wasn't damp. I got a cloth, and I also got some disinfecting spray. So I was cleaning my earrings throughout this whole entire process so I could put them away clean. Now, these earring stands that you see my earrings on, I bought these off of AliExpress maybe like 5 years ago, and they are such an eyesore. I was probably like 15, 16 years old when I got these, and I didn't really care about decoration at home. I am now older and I do care about how things look in my house, and I just wanted to get rid of these black earring holders. You see these in stores, like sellers, vendors, they sell the earrings on these, and I just don't want them anymore. So I'm cleaning them and then I am donating them. Yes, you can really see how many earrings I have when I take them all off. It is a lot. I do have, though, a reasonable explanation for this. So this is a long story, so I'm going to try and make it quick. When I was really, really young, I was like 2, 3 years old. I can't remember this happening, but my mom took me to a jewelry store and she put in these gold earrings in my ears that had a very secure latch. So it was difficult to take them off of my ears. But since my mom had lost, my older sister had lost 2 pairs of golden earrings, my mom didn't want to go through that again because, golden earrings are expensive. And so she told me a little white lie. I'm not mad at her for doing that. I totally understand now. But a few years passed by. I was about 11 years old, and my older sister told me that my mom was lying to me and that she could take the earrings off of my ears. And you know what? my sister did take the earrings off of my ears. And when I found out, I got really mad because, well, I got mad at my mom because, how many years did I have those earrings on? Like almost 10 years on my ears. And I really wanted to use all these other earrings that I saw. I was so fascinated by earrings when I was so young. And so, of course, I was mad at my mom back then, but I totally understand now. But ever since I was able to use other earrings, all I wanted to do was buy earrings. I was so in love with earrings, and yes, that is how my obsession for earrings grew, because I was not able to use other types of earrings for so many years. I guess it's just the way life is. When you are forbidden to do or use something, you want it even more, and that is how my obsession for earrings grew. I was not allowed to use other earrings other than the ones that were on my ears, and so I wanted to use different types of earrings, and yes, I love earrings. Still to this day, I have to be careful because I will buy earrings like without even thinking about it. I am a little bit more conscious about this now because I have so many. I have so many earrings. I really need to, control myself. But yeah, if I really, 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 really like the earrings, then I'll treat myself to them. Oh, and after telling this story, I need to let you guys know that no, I did not hold a grudge on my mother. I was very young, that's why I got mad, but I understand why she did it. Golden earrings are expensive, and it was a good idea not to lose the earrings. Anyways, I have already started for a while in my jewelry box, and this took me so long because I did not know where I wanted to place things, and I keep rearranging. You'll see me throughout the video rearranging things, even the earrings, and it took me more than an hour, probably 2, but it was worth it, and you'll see in the end how beautiful my jewelry box, how beautiful the jewelry looks in the jewelry box. I am so happy I decided to buy the jewelry box. Maybe I should have gotten a bigger one because you can see that even though I got rid of a lot of stuff, it was still hard to fit all my jewelry in here. But I don't know, maybe in the future I'll get a bigger jewelry box. Right now this is fine. Maybe this will help me not buy anymore. So you'll see in a second, I decided to use the jewelry keepers that I had, both of them, the pink one and the roses one, to put bracelets in. And this one over here, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I put the necklaces that have meaning to me at the bottom, and I put the bracelets on top. And here I'm just finishing off my jewelry box, rearranging a couple of things, and you are about to see how beautiful it all looks. I am so happy that I did this. I do not regret it at all. Of course, Princesa is always around, and feast your eyes on this beauty. Watch out for the shot. Yes, I love looking at this. Sometimes I just open the jewelry box to look at how beautiful this is.
Find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it.
Doesn't this look just so much better? I'm keeping my Pandora out of the jewelry box because it can inoxide. I don't even know if that's an English word. It can get darker if it's closed, apparently. This is my watch box. And there we have it. I feel like this looks so much better. And of course, there's always a kitty cat. Okay, and that is a wrap for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I know I have a lot, but I feel like I did a good job and I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I should probably have gotten rid of more, but I love earrings, so anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and comment down below anything that you would like to tell me, and subscribe for future contents. And until next time, bye!
Too much. Just wait.